My name is Edna Adan Ismail. I'm a retired WHO representative, a former regional advisor for the World Health Organization in Emro. I accept the hand washing challenge, and I wish to demonstrate it to all that hand washing means hands washing, not just wetting our hands. Our hands need to be washed. Individual fingers, thumbs, every finger, the palms and the backs of our hands and our wrists. We shouldn't touch the taps, and we shouldn't dry our hands. We should let our hands dry unless we have an individual towel or a paper towel or a tissue with which to dry our hands and to dispose of it responsibly. I'm sending this challenge from Hargeisa, the Republic of Somaliland. Thank you very much. Our hands keep us safe, and our hands keep others safe from the bacteria or the germs that I could be carrying in my hands. Thank you.